पता नहीं क्या जादू है कॉलेज लाइफ में, जहां अनजाने मिलते हैं और दोस्त बन जाते हैं, जिंदगी भर जिनके साथ आप हंसते हैं, रोते हैं और जिंदगी जीना सीखते हैं।
पुरानी जी और की बात, मोहल्ले की वो छत और मेरे यार, रातों को जागना, सुबह घर जाना, दूध की दीवार, सोच में ज़्यादा क्या है इरादा, मुझको बोल दे।
Dear students, batch of 2022 is very special to us. You are now ready to fly high and move ahead with your program, what it has given to you, and to really contribute to the field of healthcare management. You've been very special. These 2 years, majority of your classes were online due to COVID-19 pandemic. You endured, you excelled, and you're ready to now move ahead in the field. Best wishes to all of you in your personal and professional life. Do well, be happy, and stay blessed.
Hello my dear students, you all are on the right track and always do your best. Wish you all countless success success, endless happiness, and super containment in life. Keep growing, keep mentoring, keep learning. Love you all.
Set your goals high and dream big. Wishing you all the best for your future.
Hi students, hope you enjoyed these 2 years being at IIHMR Bangalore. We will miss you a lot. All the best for your future.
Congratulations for the graduation and all the best for your future.
Dear students of batch 2020-22, all the very best.
PGDM batch 2022, all the best for your future endeavors.
Congratulations batch 2022, all the best for the future.
Dear PGDM batch 2020-22, congratulations for the future.
My beloved students of 2020-2022 batch, wish you all the very best for your convocation.
Dear PGDM 2022 batch, set your goals high and dream big.
Dear students of batch 2022, wish you the best luck for your convocation and have a great career ahead.
Dear students, congratulations on your graduation. Just remember, success is just a job. Well done. Good luck to your future.